Hey everyone, welcome to Portrait 2. We're going to begin the same way we begin with all the other paintings, a Canva image prep. So I begin by centering my image and making sure all the information I need for the painting is in there. And I want to remind you that moving forward, make sure you have your image size a ½ inch less all the way around so that it doesn't get cut off by the tape. And if you want the full version of this lesson, make sure you watch the Portrait 1 Canva prep. Once I've done that, I'm adding in my square shape. And I'm going to copy and paste it. Well, actually, I'm finding the color first that Canva has given me for kind of the local colors, main colors of the image. And once I'm done with that, I'm going to copy all of them and paste them above. And here's where I'm going to find the saturated version of that color that, like we can find on a computer. So it's going to be different than what we'll find in the paint, but that's okay. It's close enough that it'll work for me. I copy the hex code, paste it into Google because Google will give me the RGB code to put into the Golden website. What I have found is if I reduce the colors, it gives me a CAD red light, which I have. Great. Okay, so this is kind of something you can do is just use Google to ask questions that you need answers to, like what is the opposite of CAD light? And so opaque cadmium red light, and the opposite of that would be cyan, but in paint color, they're calling it the phthalo blue, which I already have. Now, the reason why I'm asking that is because when it comes time for color glazing, I really want to put in not just the reds that I have for my local color, but I want yellows and blues as well. I always use the Hansa yellow, but I wanted to know which blue I should use, and they recommended phthalo blue. When I'm done, I desaturate my image, save it as a PDF print, and print it. Okay, I will see you in the portrait.